Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn, in this session we are going to see how to update the Raspberry Pi Imager with latest version 1.6 is out now, and how to update the latest version. Okay, so before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, so let's start. So friends, Raspberry Pi Imager is the utility which help us to flash the images inside our SD card. Okay friends, and the latest version 1.6 is out now. So it's really good, and the Raspberry Pi is update the features of our Raspberry Pi Imager in basically the version 1.6. Okay, so how to install? So if you are on the Raspberry Pi 4, you need to simply open the Raspberry Pi for a terminal. Okay, so this is what our Raspberry Pi OS. Okay, so simply open the terminal and you need to run the command sudo apt install rpi-imager, rpi-imager. It will install rpi-imager inside the Raspberry Pi. Okay, if you are on the Raspberry Pi OS. Okay, suppose you install Ubuntu and other ARM OSs on Raspberry Pi 4, so you need to simply visit their website. Okay, just a minute. So this is what their website, Raspberry Pi org. Okay, I will mention the link. Go to their website and just download for Ubuntu, download for Windows, and download for Mac OS, and you will get the latest version 1.6. Okay, so what is the new features? So I have already installed the RPi Imager, and how to upgrade? You need to simply upgrade the packages. Okay, sudo, just like this way. I have already upgraded. Sudo apt update. It will update the repositories with the latest one of our Raspberry Pi OS. Okay, then you need to simply run the command, friends, sudo apt upgrade. It will upgrade all those packages. Okay, so I have run the command sudo apt update, then sudo apt upgrade. Okay, so it will upgrade, just a minute, upgrade, that's it. So it will basically upgrade all the packages along with RPi Imager. Okay, so just install the package using sudo apt install rpi-imager. It will install RPi Imager first, then sudo apt update for update the repositories, then sudo apt upgrade. It will upgrade all the packages along with RPi Imager. Okay, so I'm going to minimize, and of course, as I told you, if you are on Ubuntu and Windows, you need to simply visit their website and download the latest version. That's it friends. Now open the Imager, and as you can see, we have our version 1.6, and here you need to press Control Shift and X. You need to simply press again Control plus Shift and X. Okay, so Control Shift X, and as you can see, this advanced options window is appear. So from here, friends, disable overscan, set host name. I just want to set host name. You can set host name from here also. So Freedom Tech is the host name. You can also enable the SSH with the password. Set the password for the Pi user. So you can set the password here. Okay, then just scroll down, friends. Main thing is what? Now you can enable Wi-Fi from here also, friends. As you can see, the configure Wi-Fi. You can mention your router SSID, and also you can mention the router password here. Okay friends, then scroll down. You can select the Wi-Fi country from here. Of course, I am from India, so I am going to select here IN. Okay, India. Then set local setting, click on here Asia, Kolkata is the time zone, and keyboard is of course US. Then play sound when finish, eject media when finish, enable uh, telemetry. Okay, then this is the way you can set the advanced option. This is what the new features which we have got on our Raspberry Pi Imager version 1.6. Then just save it and select your OS. Go to the Raspberry Pi OS other, select Raspberry Pi OS Lite, choose the storage, click on write, and it will flash the image inside your SD card. So this is the latest feature. You have to just press Ctrl Shift X and you will get the advanced options window, and then you can select host name, enable the SSH password, and configure the Wi-Fi. So this is what the new thing we have got on Raspberry Pi Imager version 1.6, friends. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.